rubbed off his face.
Only been days, but it felt like months.
10 years I've been with you. What a headache. The rich auntie vibes today. Come on. You are so white. Good boy.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
And welcome back. Today is actually Mario's birthday, and it's our anniversary. Woo, 10 years. Oh my goodness. So yeah, it's our anniversary today. 10 years anniversary. Look at Mario. Bah, say hi. Say hi, guys. All right, but anyways, guys, so it's our 10-year anniversary, and okay, so the plan was, this is not going to be the anniversary that we actually have planned. We're going to actually have our anniversary at another time, but yeah, you guys, well, I don't know if I'll even vlog that, but you guys might see it and you might not see it. But anyways, for now, we're just doing something simple because since we didn't plan to do anything, just because of, you know, yeah, we just didn't plan to do anything today. We just wanted to, I guess, keep it simple. But anyways, I'm going to take him out for his birthday for dinner, at least that, and me and Faith are gonna make him a nice breakfast, well, brunch. He's gone to play soccer, so we're gonna do that. Right now I actually have some stuff that I need to do, so Romario. Yeah, table's not that heavy. So Romario's making a mess. So yeah, we're gonna go out and have a nice romantic dinner. He doesn't know that I'm planning to do a dinner for him. He just thinks that we're just staying home and Faith is making dinner for us. So he doesn't know that. Because we decided that, you know, because we're trying to get our home together, we are not going to do anything because we're just focusing on that. But I just ran out. I got a few stuff, so I'm gonna get those things together now. But definitely, I think I probably will vlog when I do our actual anniversary gift, the gift that I have for him. I know he's going to love it. Because I had something in mind, but he's like, no, not right now. Let's focus on getting what we need to get done. So, but anyways, you guys are seeing me now, and I got to go get some stuff done because I have a review that I need to, I need to get done and get out the way. So I'm going to do that and come back as well. Mario, look, Fate braided his hair, guys, last night. Fate braided his hair. Oh, he fell and he rubbed off his face. Yeah. So he rubbed off his poor little face. Yay. Say hi. Say hi. So Fate braided his hair in three. Look at his hair. It's just sticking up. I have to put an elastic at the end of his hair. She did it better than she did mine. Because it keeps his hair is like mine. Because his hair keeps swooshing out. But anyways, so I'm going to get myself together. I just showered and well, I'm gonna get my face beat and well, maybe not fully beat. I'm gonna do a low natural beat just for this video that I gotta do. So I'm gonna go do that and pretty much try to get everything together. And hopefully, yeah, I'll be able to take you guys. Oh my God! You gave him watermelon. I'm like stepping in. I gave him one piece. But Mario, like you destroyed the place. Okay. Now here's the thing. Tell me you have a child without telling me you have a child. Let me show you. You have a kid without telling me you have a kid. Look at this. This is Romario's doings. Oh my goodness. Right, so I'm gonna do what I have to do and try and get everything prepped before he gets here. What's the sausage?
Cut it in half.
probably cut it in half. I was gonna do some in the. You'll cut it up small and put it. Or mix it with the egg, or maybe mix it with the egg and maybe some on the side. Okay. I'll be back, guys. We're starting to get this thing together because we still have so much to do. So I'll come back in a little bit and show you guys what's going on. So hey guys, Mario just finished beating Mario and then he's showering. Look what Mario did. Mario shook out the phone and I feel. Give me this. Look at your face. Look at your face. So I didn't get to finish doing what I need to do, but Faith is out there doing the brunch right now for us. So I'm gonna finish get Romario dressed, and well, then I gotta do what I need to do. But I wanted to come by and tell you guys. Romario, look what you did. Huh? How you shake up the powder by your face, boy? Yeah, so he's showering right now, and then because I showered this morning, I didn't get to shower Pop because he was still sleeping. So I'm gonna figure out when Mario comes from ball and he shower, he can just shower with him. Look what you did to your face. So at least he just finished showering. Now he's finished showering. I'm going to hurry up and do what I need to do. I'm gonna probably have to come out of the room and make him stay in here with Mario, just so I can get what I need to get done. And then, yeah, he says he wants to go for a drive later, maybe to go get ice cream or something. So we'll see. I'm just gonna give me this. I'm just gonna have to tell him to get dressed because later and dress nice, well, because we're going somewhere, so he doesn't just put on anything. And yeah, so then because he sees Faith making dinner, so he actually thinks that we're staying here for dinner, but he doesn't know that we're going out. So it's just gonna be Faith and Rissa because yeah, because Memphis is gone away, so he's gone away. Yeah, because Memphis is not here, so it's just gonna be the girls. I was thinking about taking them with us out to dinner, but yeah, I just said no. I think this is kind of like a little bit of a special moment, so maybe next time will be something different. But of course we're gonna bring trouble here because I don't think we can manage him for even a couple of hours by herself. Well, she could, but we're just gonna bring him along because he came along with us for our anniversary last year, so we're gonna take him. Look him over there. He's just pulling his face with a powder. But anyways, let me go and get him dressed and comb his hair. Alright, see you in a bit. Guys, so as you can see, I did my makeup quickly, as you can see here, and we are about to eat, and then I am going to do the other stuff that I'm gonna do. Just a little brunch. There's our tiny brunch that we're having. Nothing too much, just something small, quick, and fast because we have other things planned. So happy birthday, sir!
It was me.
Are you enjoying your day?
I
Say happy birthday, Dada. Dada. Say happy birthday. Say happy birthday, Dada. And happy anniversary. Oh my gosh. 10 years I've been with you? What a headache. I'm just joking. It's been a good 10 years. We had our ups or downs, but...
You're welcome.
It's special?
Yeah, it's special.
Special?
No, you have to take them one. You can make it specific.
So what is? What is it?
I don't know either.
No, something like that.
You're so disgusting. See what I mean by picky, guys? Very picky. Eat it. It's good. Guys, so we are heading out, as you can see. Switched off. Yeah. We were change of plans. Yeah. Our plans changed a bit. So we are going out as a fam to go and to spend some quality time together. But the weather is crazy outside. Yeah, it is super crazy out there, but well, we're gonna go out anyways and go have a good time. I say a good time for a long time, for a little time. In the rich auntie vibes today. Oh gosh, that's okay. That's all right. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Ow! Look, this is how you do it. I just forgot.
You're the funny
That's a pegger. Ow! Oh, blood! See that one that me feet. Walk, see that food.
The boy I see it want clean up, be a food.
Quick can't get clean while I go. I ain't gonna mess up again. Oh, that's nasty. Ew! Come up in that section. Sit down.
The man drives totally wrong way.
Good job.
So why you have to drive that way then?
Do not eat those toes.
If you don't take off your shoes, you can put them with them mouth. Take off your shoes
You're
first.
not putting food in my mouth.
You never feel up with the hand.
Shake it, shake it. Yeah! Shake it.
Where are you going there, though?
You're going to have to do
What are you doing on there, babes? What are you doing?
What I'm doing, I was putting down the seats.
Oh, guys, he did put up still? Yeah. Can you put
Oh gosh.
No.
Eh?
What is it?
Oh,
Okay.
What? It is. No man, this weather is just. Why does it feel like fall outside? It feels like winter. Come on, we just come out of winter. We are actually outside, so there is the birthday man. Huh? Well, the birthday man and my handsome husband are celebrating 10 years. Oh my god, it seems like just yesterday, guys, we've been together. It doesn't even seem like 10 years. Like, time really flies. But you know how you kind of we realize that it's been 10 years when we look back at the pictures of not even me and you, but like us with the kids, like how small they were. Like even the one I was watching the video when we had our dog, and Rissa was like so small. Like it's just crazy playing on the veranda. Like when I was looking back at those videos, that's when I was like, man, these kids are tiny.
We're tiny.
And like now they're giants. So
Giants?
yeah. Papa.
Ew, I look so white. Put your camera on. Sorry for.
So Romario has been on a sugar high.
I give him sugar.
Me? I'm not giving him anything. I just gave Romario some drink.
What?
And I gave Romario something to drink, and then he screamed at Mario for more. So Mario gave him half his drink, and then it just, I don't know. From there, he's just been bouncing off the walls. He's been bouncing off the walls. He's been talking like crazy. He's even been yelling and pointing his finger. Well, as you guys can hear, saying stuff.
Mario.
Saying things that we don't even understand.
Yes.
Mario.
Hey, give it back.
Romario. Look. Mommy. Hi. Are you giving trouble back there?
There's no way. This.
Hey.
Romario.
You're not crying.
Stop whining.
Calm down. Hey, what? What? Listen to me. Calm down. I'm gonna calm down.
You're gonna say, ask you,
Hey.
you're gonna walk. Exactly.
So, guys, he's learned how to literally cut his eyes off of you. I think it was yesterday Mario caught it in the video, but it's not really cutting his eyes is what he's doing. I teach him how to go like this, wink, but instead of him go like this, he goes He closes the two eyes. He closes the two eyes. So sometimes you see him looking at you and just go, and then you like cut him eye and turn his head.
What you know? A chocolate? A party?
Oh my gosh.
Memphis that eats
Yeah.
Sing Romario. I remember
Because
that.
Memphis didn't want to give him any.
And he did it
just
again.
looked, and he rolled his eyes at Memphis and just took off.
And then he did it to you the other day when you were calling him.
Yeah, he did.
Because it's like you were.
But he did it to Mario too. Mario caught it in like a little clips. He caught it.
He did it to me too. So I'm like, Romario, come here.
Yeah, so I realized he's doing it to everybody in the house. So it's this new thing. But so yeah, the change of plans is we're not gonna bother going out to do anything. Like I wanted, well, something. We just Fate made a nice dinner at home for us, and she also baked Mario's birthday cake. So we're gonna go home. We'll have that later today.
Hey, Mario.
What?
Your final birthday cake.
What you doing, me?
Yeah.
So what does that mean?
Where's
Oh,
she doing,
Fate,
me?
you really need some sun.
You look like a parasite.
Oh God!
Oh, I'm sorry. That sounds so rude. I'm sorry.
Oh Lord! Guys, I don't know what's going on with this weather, but this weather is just so.
I win, you know?
Is it a wind, or is it the storm that other places are getting?
Hello, the
See,
wind.
they have all the flags them lined out.
The wind of the-
We got something there. And then the fireworks. Oh, tomorrow is Canada Day. Yeah, so. Oh my gosh. Sorry for the screaming ahead of time. I don't know what is going on. You see how it goes quiet? Back there. Wait. Oh goodness. So yeah, we're either gonna go have cheesecake at the Cheesecake Factory or ice cream. We're just gonna do that. Just something simple.
Oh, wait, that's it? That's Tia!
And there I got Romario's got Romario's giving talkie. He's not staying in one place. Oh gosh, so we're sitting here and I'm having a banana split and Faith is having, I don't even know what Faith got. Where is he? Romario.
Look at the peanut.
Oh, oh. Come here. Look. What around there, Samario?
A bathroom. Mario.
In campus, we're going out. Samario. Bye. He's coming. Romario has gone AY. Oh my God. He's climbing up on the table. He's not staying still. Look at him. You always see the little buns just running through the place. Here was just packed like crazy, but everybody left, so it's just pretty much us and one customer in here. But he's not staying still, guys. He's all over the place, all over. It is so good. So good. Yan. Romario. Bye. I miss you. Got Mario on him.
Give me some of this strawberry.
You can have some. It's frozen strawberry they put on it. They should put real Mario. What happened? Oh my gosh.
Tap your feet. Go back. Go on, go back.
Yum.
I'm thinking like zippy. Yeah, sheep.
Where's the doggy?
See this one.
I'm putting it in a... I'm putting it in something.
What's that? Oh. So I'm gonna finish eat this. Mario is just giving a world of trouble. Mario.
Mario. You want to wipe behind it? Something put it on your
All
face.
the wipers up there. Napkins.
The paper cookie dough party thing.
Give up one. Give me.
There's cookie dough in it.
Good boy.
That's all. I know.
Good boy.
Why you that close to the consumer stuff right in?
Exactly. That's what to sit in here.
Yay. Hey. Are you gonna go home go eat some? It's right there in front of the lady. Oh, you'll be back.